I want to be very grateful to you, to everyone who's been supporting Jannah Institute, whether by being a student of us. Walillahi alhamd, we have doubled and tripled the number of our students. We have the year of knowledge, what every Muslim woman should know, and this is a live weekly program. It's a 1-year program where we cover the basics and everything a Muslim woman should learn. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, we have grown up from 25 students to more than 150 within just 2 years, a little bit over 2 years. Then this year also we started the self-paced. We heard you that not every woman can dedicate 11 hours weekly just to attend live sessions. So we actually edited it, walillahi hamd, and we hired a team to make this to a self-paced program where the woman can just register, and then we will send to her the videos on her pace. And then usually I meet with them on a regular basis and to address all their questions and things that needs to be explained. So this is one of the biggest things we have done from last year to this year. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make us worthy of your support. Jazakumullahu khairan.